What's going on, guys? This is the coolest nerd ever back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to improve your current website. We see a lot of times where customers get a website from us and then they think once they get a website, that's all they need, right? Sometimes because no one is actually there to critique you or give you a little bit of tough love, you don't make improvements to go to the next level. So my goal for this video is to actually show you some things that are missing on a current website's brand, some errors, some coding fixes, some pop-up fixes. It's just a lot of things that I saw on this particular store that could be improved. Now the cool thing is that your theme actually has the capability to do a lot of the advanced features that I'm going to show you today. That's if you purchase the Digital Brandz theme. But just because we give you the firepower, if you do not utilize it correctly, you could be hurting your business. All right, guys, let's dive right into it. And I'm going to show you a lot of pitfalls that I found on a current website that actually happens to be one of our customers. I'm going to make this video, and hopefully with you seeing this video, you can make improvements with your brand. All right, we're going to start from top to bottom, just kind of getting right into it. First thing first, this is a preference thing, but also at the end of the day, as a business owner, you want to make sure that you're not impressing yourself and your goal is to impress your customers, right? Just because a situation, for example, if you like fruit and you're trying to fish, that doesn't mean you go fishing with fruit. You go fishing with worms and crickets, right? So I'm going to show you how to bait your customers in correctly. All right, so we have a lot of customers that do this a lot. They like to highlight their logo for their brand. We get it. You love your brand, you love your logo. But your customers honestly do not care about your logo and your brand. They want to know how you can make their life better. If you're selling something like hair, a first way that you want to do to show that you can make someone's life better is show them beautiful images of other women wearing hair. I'm going to pull up another one of our clients' websites. And of course, if you don't have the investment to do a high quality photo shoot, right, then you can always grab high quality stock images from anywhere. Or if you did get a high quality photo shoot, make sure you utilize those images in your banner. The reason being, you have about 3 to 5 seconds at the most to capture someone's attention. Most customers make a decision from the banner. If you don't have beautiful photography and a high quality UVP, I know you're thinking, cool nerd, what is a UVP? A UVP is your unique value proposition. This is what you put as a sales pitch right in your banner to basically let customers know what you can do for them. So some people call it a USP, unique selling proposition. I like to call it a UVP, unique value proposition. So that's the first thing that I noticed on this brand that could be better is highlighting models, highlighting the photography versus the logo. So if we look at this, when I first come to this website, this is what I see, right? I don't know what's going on. It's just a big white screen with a logo and the logo again versus me coming here, logo, I have pop-ups showing me that people are purchasing, I have beautiful photography, then I have my USP. We're going to go down a little bit further. Now, this is the most glaring issue that I noticed with this brand, and I'm hoping you guys will watch this video and then make those improvements immediately. So if you have a Digital Brandz theme, one of the things that we give you is the capability to maneuver and manage your site yourself. If you don't take advantage of the tutorial videos we give you, all right, I'm going to show you guys. We have a full-fledged tutorial system showing you step-by-step on how to manage your store properly, right? How to do everything. And if you notice right here, it says how to organize your collection/categories. Also, update your banner. This is step 2. All right, so let's look at this, guys. Now, we're here on the collection area. If you're a young lady and you wanted to purchase some curly textures, you would most likely click this, right? If you wanted to purchase wavy textures, this should probably be a picture. I'm not sure why they use their logo again. They love their logo. But this should be a picture of a girl with wavy hair and then a picture of a girl with straight hair. Now, I want you to watch this, guys. I try to click straight hair straight textures, nothing is happening. I click wavy textures, nothing is happening. I click curly textures, nothing is happening. This business is losing out on thousands of dollars by not having this set up properly. Now, this isn't a coding error. This isn't a digital brands error. This would be a user error by you guys if you don't select this or set this up. So I'm going to show you real quick, just in case you didn't watch it on our tutorial videos. I'm actually in the back end of a different website, right? Similar. On this website, you see how you want to show models and then you want to have the messaging again, right? So what's cool about this is this has a similar section. It says gorgeous hair, flawless skin, cosmetic tattoos. Guys, noticing the similarities, you have the curly, wavy, and straight. Now, watch this, guys. I go right to where it says collection list. I click inside collection list, and this one says URL. So if I click gorgeous hair, nothing's going to happen until I assign it to a collection. So you actually have to assign all three of these collections to a collection. So this client, of course, would create a collection called flawless skin. Then you select collections, and then we'll select flawless skin. Same thing. In the back office, the customer needs to create a collection called cosmetic tattoo, and then they would click where it says URL, collection, and assign that. So guys, don't get our theme and not completely set it up. This is like buying a house and not organizing the furniture. So make sure you guys organize the furniture. All right, we're only halfway down the site, and we're getting to the next section. Beautiful photography here, beautiful models. But the issue is, there's no real explanation here. It's real vain and vague. It says, lasting hairs, we got you covered. That's boring, right? You're in an industry that's extremely saturated if you're selling hair. You have to wow people over with a better sales pitch than that, right? So, for example, I'm going to show you. All right, I haven't read this, but this gives a slight idea of what the client is saying about blowing your mind. It has a write-up, it gives you some explanation, it gives you an idea of what you're going to get with this brand, and then it has another call to action. So you guys can put something really vague here, but I recommend you writing a better write-up. Let's see if this button works. I'm not sure. Hopefully. All right, great. I'm excited. So far, the client doesn't have these set up, but they did assign this button here. Now, getting down to this next section. So if you watch the video, you will realize that this section can actually have a video. And in 2021, you definitely want to highlight video content, guys. So you can put a video right here in the section as you look here. All right, let me refresh it. Did I refresh it? Let me refresh it. I know I just dropped the video in this section. Refresh this really quick. So we got the loading screen, which is really cool. Nice. Look, this is beautiful. So you can actually have video content right in the bottom of that section. So if you look right here, you have one of our custom themes. You have video capability. Make sure you watch the video so you'll know how to do this. Another thing that I noticed here with this brand, they took advantage of our key point area. That's what you're supposed to do. But they didn't take advantage of it completely. They're giving out information that doesn't even work. It says subscribe to our mailing list. Watch this. If I scroll down to the mailing list and I put my email here, right? I click sign up. The customer didn't even set their sign up system up. So make sure you guys, when you're getting these websites, check out the tutorial page. You want to definitely check out the tutorial page, right? So the tutorial page shows you right here how to add a mailing list, social links, and capture emails. We basically gave you guys a free course that's valued over $3,000. And if you're not taking advantage of that course, you are hurting your business. Let's say, for example, that this business is making 6 figures a year, right? let's say they're making 6 figures. Based off of just the little things that I showed you that is wrong with this brand, if they're already making 100K, if they were to fix the things that I'm talking about, they should be at $150,000, $200,000, right? So you're losing money by not completely setting up your website, right? And then it also says like us on Facebook. Okay, great. Where's the Facebook link at? Where do I click the Facebook link? Right? Maybe they have it at the bottom. All right, so guys, they didn't even set up the Facebook link. Make sure when you're doing these type of call to actions, like us on Facebook, you're expecting a customer to take the time to search you on Google and like you on Facebook. No, guys, you have access to this technology right in your theme. I hate to give you a little bit of tough love, but sometimes a little tough love is needed. So I'm going to click where it shows footer. It says add content. It says social icons. You can actually set up your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and stuff, etc. So let's say this customer was setting up their Facebook.com/idazzle. I'm not sure what their Facebook account is, but let's just say that's what it was. All right, so change the color. Now I actually have the Facebook. I can drag it to the top, and now I actually have a Facebook. So guys, when you're saying things, make sure you're actually doing it on your site. And then it also says never miss a platinum experience, right? I like that verbiage. I like that sales pitch, but I wish they would have explained what a platinum experience is here, so I can really never miss it. Now, stay connected. Let's see if they have this button rerouting to the right place. So I'm hoping they have it routed to the product page. Let's see. Oh, wow. Wow. So right now, guys, don't do this mistake. If you're putting stay connected, nobody really wants to email you. You have an e-commerce brand. Your goal is to click this button and take them directly to products. So I'm going to show you how that works. All right. So, okay. So for example, this brand has book now. So going into the theme, where it says image with content, you see where it says button? You can actually adjust where the button goes. The previous business I just showed you has it going to a contact page. So make sure you guys are setting your buttons to go to the right pages. All right. All right. So also it says we love selfies. Send us your pictures or tag us on social media. All right. So one of the mistakes they made here is that's great. I love the idea. Cool little phone tag, cool little section, but they didn't even give us their social media page, right? So it says stay connected, Facebook and Instagram. Okay, what's the Facebook and Instagram tag? So you're expecting people to go search platinum extensions and you didn't have a link. So you want to make sure you're making small little details like that to improve the navigation on your website. All right. Then it says fix your crown with our platinum wig. So I'm assuming this is going to go to like a wig page or a wig collection. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. So again, I'm not sure what type of, income this brand is making, but if they're making 6 figures right now, just fixing little things like this could also make them more money. So this should be going to a wig. I'm not sure why they have it set to go to a contact us page. But yeah. So that's just a small snippet. And then it's just some other things that can be improved. Like, for example, quality of the bundle images on some of them. Like if you click this, this looks really, really bad. And then also they have it set up where you can only add one bundle at a time. So if you look at this, you add an 18, you have to hit the back button just to add a 20. Then you have to hit a back button again to add a 20, let's say a 22. All right, add, and now it takes, now I'm back, and imagine you as a girl trying to purchase hair and you had to experience that where you have to go for it and go back, go for it and go back, right? And then I didn't even get into a big glaring issue is not writing any type of product description, guys. Like, make sure you're writing product descriptions for your bundles or your hair or your product. you're just expecting someone to just click it and buy because the pictures are pretty. So even if you are making money, you're losing out on so much more because you haven't optimized your business just yet. Make sure you're writing descriptions for your products. Let's see what this brand is doing. This is a very successful brand. I'm not sure if they wrote descriptions, but let's see. Yes, we have descriptions. Also, they have one of our cool advanced sales features called multi-select. So multi-select is custom built by digital brands. You cannot get this feature anywhere else. Do you guys remember how on this brand we had to add a bundle each time and go back and forth? With this brand, if you decided you wanted to upgrade, you can click 14, 16, 18, add it to the cart all in one whop, right? I did all of that. I added all three of those to the cart and I can check out. That's going to increase your conversion rate tremendously. All right. So that's another thing, right? Let's get into and see if we can find any other holes or anything that can be fixed. So again, what's cool about this is like having a video. So I'll show you, for example, how it will work even if you wanted to add a video on the back end. So I'm going to go to the back end of this site and I'm just going to upload a random video to the site just to show you what it would look like if you wanted to add your own video. So all you do is hit upload files, and let's say you got a video on your computer, right? You grab this video, you copy it. All right, boom. Then you want to go back into your theme. Remember, we gave you the power. Just make sure you're watching those videos to utilize it properly. I'm gonna end this video shortly. I just wanted to give you guys, like I said, some quick critiques based off of our expertise to help you go to the next level. So hold on, let me go ahead and pull this up. All right, so we have this video here. I'm going to replace this video with a different video. All right, so let's see if that works. All right, so imagine you guys having an automatic video. Do you think this would increase your sales? Of course it would. Of course it would. So, you know, reach out to us. I'm going to actually delete this because this video doesn't belong to this business. I'm just going to exit that off and then save it. But I just wanted to show you what you can do. Also, I'm not going to even, really dive into a lot more, but like, for instance, this brand has a sign up form. And what's cool about sign up is using it properly. Like, by default, Shopify has a really basic sign up program where people can just sign up and see their orders. Or you can reach out to digital brands and we can build you a custom sign up system. And with a custom sign up system, you can have it where people can actually get different prices based off of being on your VIP program, right? So for example, this brand can have a tab on their website. The tab on a website could say wholesale at the top of the website, and then we can put it where it could say, to get this price, sign up for our program. And then what we can do is we can build a system in the back of your website where the people who sign up for your wholesale VIP program, they would get different pricing than the front-facing customer. This would increase your signups, this would increase your VIP membership, and it would all around make your business a better business, right? So that's some of the things that we're going to cover today. I'm going to end this off and sum the video up. Some cool things that you should be doing for your brand is making sure you get an app like this so people can see what you purchase. Make sure you highlight models in your banner. Make sure you take advantage of setting up your collections properly. Make sure you take advantage of video content. And then also just be responsive to constructive criticism also, So yeah, this is a lot of cool things. Oh, last but not least, I noticed this on this page here, on the About Us page. I'm going to show you the difference of an About Us page. If you see this About Us page, we have a portrait image with the dates on it, not really as professional as it could be. Beautiful girl, but I wish we would use a more high quality image here to really highlight the owner of the brand, right? I like her write up. I just wish also we could have probably separated this into 2 blocks so it doesn't look so long and wordy so people would actually read it. And then it looks like, oh wow. It looks like they just added the text here instead of deleting this. All right, so you also want to make sure you delete the placeholder text that we put in for you and make your About Us page look a little bit more like this. So this About Us page isn't any more advanced than the other About Us page. They just set it up by watching the video. So we have the tutorial, and we literally have a video on, what is it? Where is it at? How to update your About Us page and RY page. So look at how this customer set it up. They did a left to right thing. They did the words on the left, and they actually have the models cut out to the right. Model cut out to the right, then the words here. So I like how they did a back and forth type vibe. It's really cool, really unique by doing the models and then doing the words. The biggest thing here is the video, the images being cut out and cropped out where it looks clean. So you can do either or. Again, it's your business. By all means, you can do whatever you want with your business. But if you really want to take advantage of a digital brand's website, make sure you're utilizing that tutorial page, guys. That sums this up. This was just an additional video I wanted to make to help you guys take your business and your brand to the next level. All right, guys, keep killing it.